Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EUR JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, and many more. So let's get started. Sorry for being so dramatic. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that market is in downtrend. Overall trend of the market is extremely bearish right now. If you have watched my previous videos on Euro JPY, then I clearly mentioned in my previous videos that 128 is the only level for Euro JPY that has the potential for providing support to the market, and you can see after reaching this level market somehow tried to take support at a 128 level, and ultimately it closed at 128.25. so market somehow respected the level of 128, but overall scenario is still extremely bearish, and we cannot deny the fact the market is under the dominance of sellers right now. This is a sellers market completely. So therefore, in a market scenario like this, condition like this, it is wise to look for selling opportunities only, because if there are 100 traders present in the market, 90 are on the sell side and only 10% traders are on the buy side. So if you take side of the 10 traders, then obviously your chance of losing is very high. So as a result, you should only take side of the heavier party. That's why it is said that trend is your friend. Okay. So considering the overall trend of the market, okay, we have few opportunities here. So let me discuss one by one. The first trading opportunity that we have is if market goes up and reverses from the trend line. You can see that we have a trend line at the top which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, that will be a good trading opportunity for us, and that is our first trading opportunity on the Euro JPY chart. And if you do not have these lines drawn on your chart, then you please go ahead and you can draw these lines. Okay. And if market breaks the level also, if market breaks the trend line, there is a second possibility of market coming down from the level of 129 because already the market is extremely bearish. Then we have the additional resistance from the trend line, plus we have the Fibonacci retracement level. So there is a good possibility of market bouncing from 129 to 129.50 level. This whole this whole level is a resistance zone for the market. So if market tries to recover also, market will be facing serious problem in crossing this level, and in case market reverses from here, definitely we can take a sell position at this particular zone, sell position. Okay. And this next trading opportunity is if market, yes, listen to me carefully, if market reverses, bounces from this particular level. You can see market is trying to take a support here, and if market goes up from here only, you can take a buy position. You can take a buy position at this present level of 128. Yes, at the present level of 128 you can take a buy position, but this is a very risky position. So beginners, new traders, please avoid. If you are an experienced trader, you have been trading for some time, then that's a different chapter, but otherwise I will seriously suggest you to avoid buying at 128 level. Market may bounce, but considering the overall selling pressure, it is not a wise decision. If you know how to do scalping and all, that's a good thing, and you can go for a buy, but otherwise no, not at all. Okay, so that's an optional, okay, that's an optional trading opportunity for you, buying at 128 level. Clear? And the next trading opportunity is 127.50 level. To understand the importance of 127.50 level, we need to go to the weekly chart. If I remove the drawings, you can see we have a support at 127.50 level, and this is a weekly chart, and As we all know, the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are much stronger in comparison to the normal levels. So if market comes down to a level of 127 and bounces, yes, bounce is extremely important, because that gives us the confirmation that market is respecting the level. We can always keep in mind support and resistance levels are not permanent. Okay, so if market comes down to a level of 127.50 and bounces, this can be a good buy. Okay, we don't need to sell here, but if it breaks, that's a complete different story. I'll be covering that portion on Monday. But as of now, short term market at the resistance, and in case market comes down to the level of 127.50, we can go for a buy. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro JPY. Um, if I have missed something, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And whatever it is, my dear friends, please do not forget to follow proper risk management. Only risk 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so bye bye, take care. See you on Monday.